Hello YouTube fam, it's your favorite girl again, Nurse Benis. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys 5 nursing interview questions and the answers. And if you are new here, please, you're highly welcome, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload videos. So before we get into the video, what is an interview? An interview is simply a conversation between you and your employer. You know guys, before they called you for an interview, you had already submitted your CV, and the reason why your employer wants to interview you is because they want to know more about you. They want to know your personality, they want to know your mannerism. So it is always very important to prepare before going for an interview, and it's always good to go through the companies or the health organization or the hospital job description. You get to know the qualities that they have listed there, the qualities of the type of nurse that they are looking for, and you also carry out a research about the hospital or the health organization to know how they function and what they are out for, so that when you are going out for the interview, you already have a clue of what qualities they want to see in the nurse that they want to employ. The first question on the list is, tell me about yourself. I know this question can sound easy, but it's a very technical question, guys. So to answer this question, you're going to start by thanking the interviewer for giving you the opportunity to be interviewed as a nurse in their health organization or in their hospital. And tip number 2 to answer this question, you also tell your interviewer that you have the skills and qualities that matches that of their job description. Then you go ahead to list some of the skills. You can tell them you have good communication skills, good leadership skills, then you have good problem solving skills, guys. You list some of the skills. Then after you've listed all the skills, guys, you go ahead and give an example, maybe at your previous workplace, how you help the organization in providing outstanding patient care. Then also you can go ahead and tell them what you will do if they hire you, guys. Very, very necessary. Go ahead and tell them what you will do to the organization if they hire you. Then let's go to the second question. The second question on the list, guys, is, what are your strengths? So the best way to answer this question is to align your strengths to those listed on the job description. The strengths most health organizations are seeking for include communication skills, dignity, respect, easy to adapt to change, leadership skills. And when you have mentioned all these skills, then you can give an example of how you have demonstrated any of these skills. If you have mentioned that you have good leadership skills or good problem solving skills, you can mention an incident that occurred, then you came in and provided a solution to that particular problem. The third question we have on the list, guys, is, why do you want to work for this hospital or this health organization? Guys, it is always very important to carry out a research about the hospital or the health organization before you go for the interview, and also look at their patient's charter so that you get to know more about them, so that before you go for the interview, you already have a clue maybe about the type of questions that you're going to be asked there. So if you have finally gone for the interview and they ask you this particular question, what you're going to tell your interviewer is that you would like to work with them so that you can work together with other healthcare professionals at the hospital who are all striving to provide outstanding patient care, so that you all can work together in order to help them achieve their mission, period. That's just all about the question. The fourth question, how do you manage stress and pressure? Tell them you always organize your work before you start your shift. Then also tell them that you always stay calm and composed in all situations. Then also tell them that you always work following your nursing training and operational procedures. And lastly, you always take care of yourself as a nurse. You know, as a nurse, it's always good to take care of yourself and stay healthy to take care of patients in your hospital. If not, you are going to develop burnout syndrome because stress is not so good for the system. So that's the simple answer I can give to that question. And no, I'm giving my own answer according to the way I think about the question. So you can just answer the question the best way you understand it. So another question is, which is our last question on the list, is that's number 5, is why should we hire you? Most organizations always ask this question, why should we hire you? So as a nurse, tell your interviewer that you should hire me because everything I'll be doing will be geared towards providing holistic care to patients. Providing holistic care to patients, because that's our goal as nurses, to provide outstanding care to our patients, because patients are the center of the hospital. If patients are not there, we are not there. So we are going to provide holistic care to their patients. And also can go ahead and tell your interviewer that you're also going to help them achieve their mission. Periods. So please guys, if you find this video interesting, or if you have enjoyed watching it or learned from this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment on my video. Thank you, love you all, bye bye. See you.